Oh. You got one? Holy crap, you got that far.
Here we are in the Build-A-Bracelet workshop.
He got it all the way over to the other side.
What is this for?
I just got like coils everywhere.
What are these little neon beads?
I feel like I'm missing a part on mine. Here, fishy, fishy, fishy. We are shoving off on our first fishing adventure ever. We got the barge, got our fishing licenses, twins day.
The current's extra strong today.
Well, I've got a secret that I'm wearing later, so stay tuned.
We're just getting manhandled by the current.
We just got to our fishing spot here at Dobby Island. And most importantly, we got beef stew and each other. Our upper deck stew is pretty good. Wouldn't you say?
Mm-hmm. So close.
Oh, I thought you were over there.
The current just yanks you. You'll find out if you learn to cast.
Dude, you put out one decent cast. He wants to roast me in the blue whip. Well, how about that? Right on top of your line. Now we're screwed. I have your line. I caught me a coots.
I just Googled how to hold a fishing rod.
Oh, look at the blue whip. That's like 12 feet. It's pretty bad when your son can cast better than you can.
He can!
Dude, look at this knot explanation. Okay, make a loop, spin it around 30 times, and then just put it through. Since I can't cast, this is my strategy now. Call it walking the dog.
Mark's gonna invent a new knot.
Call it the Twisty McDouble.
I knew a Mick was gonna be in there.
Let me go over here. Oh yeah! I just need a little room. Ha! Huh. I think I did it, Coots. Oh yeah! That was my furthest one yet. Probably like 16 feet. Now what do I want to put on here? The McJabber? I'm gonna do a yellow gummy worm. Oh yeah, 17 feet. I can't even close this thing. My hands are too supple.
And I got a weird blind angle.
Uh-oh. This is my first attempt. Is this gonna work? Coots is in the workshop right now. Oh, you mess with the hook? Fishing is a lot harder than it looks.
Expected to have dinner by now.
Right?
Is the current too much right now?
No clue. Been out here for a while, no fish. We're gonna blame it on the current.
Yeah, I just looked it up. It said it's an ideal time to fish.
Are you serious? Dude, that's a power spot right there. On the bench, on the barge.
I casted. It's definitely the furthest cast we either of us made.
Just rub it in, man. I want to get one of those belts where I can just put it right here and do nothing. Yeah. All right, Coots, cast off. That was pretty far. Think I can beat it?
No.
About to show this dog an old new trick. Get out the power spot. Oh, it's still going out. It's wet. Give me the telescope.
When I show where you cast, I've got to pivot the camera down.
Yeah, you're all tangled.
Dude, there was just a huge fish right there. They're here. We gotta get them. I'm gonna cast right over there. Luckily he's in my range.
Let's see. Yeah.
Oh.
That was almost a first down.
Yeah. Almost a first down is the most pathetic description of a cast. No, it's actually the best description of the most pathetic cast.
There it is.
Ooh, that was pretty good.
Backhanded.
That rod sounds so much smoother than my little kid one.
Your $15 kids.
Yeah. I just bought it because it looked good and it said small hands. They don't have to know that I'm an adolescent hand model.
Look at these boys. Oh, minnow.
That thing looks like a real fish. Smells gross. Ooh.
I'm gonna try one of these stinky boys.
The little stink sharks.
Yeah.
Show me how to cast.
I just unlocked it and I'm holding it with my fingers.
There you go. I'm so jealous. There's mine. Isn't dawn and dusk the best times to fish or something like that? We've got no clue.
Nope. The last bit's fun.
It is.
Will likes to
How did Will catch a fish the second he threw his hook? I'd say beginner's luck, but... Oh my God. Dude, another fish just jumped right here. See, if I would have been walking the dog, I probably would have got him. All right. I know what the problem is, Coots. Didn't get our fishing gear on. This is my fishing shirt with all our sponsors on it. Don't worry about me, man. I'm one hand.
really worried.
One hand casting. Look at that.
Oh.
Look at these hands. His hands on the blue whip. These fish better watch out.
Bobber is under.
Is it?
Yeah.
Ooh, Coots is on.
I don't think so.
Fish on. He's got a fish. He said it.
No, he did not.
How big is your fish? You got one?
No.
Well, now is a bad time to fish.
Right.
You got something? Oh, Coots got one. Oh my God, I must have fell in the
Oh,
water.
I just got free.
Oh, you liar.
Oh, wait.
The rod is doing something. Can you reel it in though? You're pulling the boat over there.
Oh my God.
Coots caught him an ugly boat. Hour 4, no fish. I'm still using this thing. It's not working so far. I don't know how to catch these fish. He just slam dunked it. Coots' worst cast is probably about as far as my best. Oh my God, get the fuck out of here with that. That was seriously like 40 yards, man. It's because you're on the power block. Is it my form? Is it my timing?
Yes.
I would think that it's multiple things wrong.
It's not that I'm 6 times stronger than you.
Maybe 5.
That was not a good spot.
Is that over top that branch?
Yeah.
He just got done tying that thing for like an hour. We're so bad at this. Coots thinks he's cool because he can cast real far. But look where my bobber is. You can't even see it, can you?
It's just feeding his line into the current. What a cheater. Might not have caught anything that time, but if you click right here, you can join us on an adventure that we do. Now watch me cast this. Oh yeah. Click that link. I just snapped the line. I just